Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas if you're brand new, and I make style and hair related videos every single week here on YouTube. So if that's your kind of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and come back and visit me every single week. So in today's video, we're getting back to well, it's not really a tutorial, it's like a first time thing today. I saw a while ago these quirky things called wave formers. They look like this. They're like this weird plastic bit of mesh that you put your curl into, and you either let it air dry or you can blow dry it, and it's supposed to give you fantastic waves in this shape. That's essentially what we're gonna be doing today. I've never used these before. I was pretty tempted to try them out when I got them, and I did put a couple on my hair, but I was kind of like, no, I'll wait for the video and we'll actually just do the whole thing. In terms of using these, you can use like air drying to make it happen, or you can use a blow dryer. Because we're on video today, I can't wait around for 7 fucking hours while my hair dries, so I'm just gonna use the blow dryer to set them in. I will be leaving links in the description box for you as well, in case you wanna go and try some of these yourself. Again, I don't know how they're gonna turn out, so maybe by the end of the video, you'll know if you wanna give them a go or not. They were very cheap, $3 a packet. I bought 3 packets and got this many. The reason I got so many was just because I know I have a lot of hair and I wanted to make sure I could get it all in. And I'm planning to go from the bottom to the top. And what I've done to my hair previously is I just dampened it a little bit. I didn't saturate it with water. Because I am going to be using heat, I've got my Sebastian Trilliant Heat Protector in, and I've also used a bit of Blumaan as well, because Blumaan, the original, has the heat protector in it as well, but it's really good for forming hair at the same time. And I have also chucked a little tiny bit of my Jane Carter solution in there, which is great for moisturizing. Yeah, without any more blabbering on, this is what we're doing, and we should get straight into it. So we're gonna do this in real time, and then obviously, because I'm probably gonna be here a while, we'll speed it up. I'll show you what I look like with all of them in. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look very hilarious, and I can't wait to do the thumbnail for this one. Let's get into it. It's got a little hook here, so we're gonna hook our hair in there and pull her through. I just actually wanna see what it does to the actual hair, and I'm sure there would be a very good way to do this and sectioning it properly and whatnot, but I can't be bothered. So if we have a look on the close-up cam, you can see I've hooked my hair in, and now I'm just gonna pull it down. Oh, this is like the most awkward thing ever. My whole hair breaks off. It's actually quite simple once you get the hair like flowing through it. And then what I'm gonna do, I don't really want the ends to poke out because my hair's actually longer than this. So I'm gonna try and just detach that. It's all coiled up in there. Ooh. On this one, I accidentally got the ends out, so I'm gonna like try and tuck them back in. Get back in there. Ta-da! Okay, so now we got our first 2 in. Very straightforward, very simple, but again, I have all of these to put in, so I have no idea how long this is gonna take. But in the meantime, we're gonna speed the camera up, then I'll show you what I look like with all of them in, and then we'll go from there. We'll finish it up and I'll give you my opinion. Speed up. A pussy hoe could never. All right, and we're back. So how long did that actually take? Was that probably about 20 minutes? 20 minutes for a rough job of putting these things in, and voila, here we go. I am gonna turn around. I think I've missed so much in the back. I would probably take a lot more time to do this if I was doing it properly, but the main purpose of today's video is just to see how they actually work, so I'm not too concerned. I feel like I got the front ones really well, obviously because I can see that properly, but if you were to do this regularly, it would take a lot of sectioning and proper work. But yeah, this is what I look like so far. So from here, my hair still is a teensy weensy little bit damp, so I'm gonna blow dry it with the blow dryer. I'm gonna let them cool, because I don't know if you know this, but when you heat hair up, it's good to let it cool down. And then once it's cooled, it usually takes shape a lot better. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Oh. Ah! All right, cool. Hum diddy dum dum dum. Okay, so they're feeling pretty dry, and now because there wasn't so much water in my hair to begin with, I don't think there's gonna be a lot of moisture left. So I'm gonna leave it where it is and let it cool down for maybe 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, I'm gonna come back and do a big reveal. I'm fucking sweating under here, so this is not good. And winter's supposed to be on the way, but not today. I really feel like a crazy woman. All right, I'll be back in 10. All right, so it's been probably about 15 to 20 minutes since I finished this blow dry job, but hey, you know, more time is better anyway. So now I'm just literally gonna take these out. We're gonna review how they look. Look, we're just gonna see how it goes. There's no guarantees, but you know, if it's cool, then I might look at doing this a little bit more in depth and properly. So without further ado, just shut up and take them out, Tom. Where do we start? Ooh, ooh, I shouldn't have worn a black shirt, should I? Hello. Ooh. Ooh. Kinky. Okay. Not bad. Don't want to pull any more hairs out than necessary. This is actually pretty cool. Check out the crinkle. It actually looks so healthy too. They just never stop. Ta-da! Whoa. Hey, how are you? Okay, it's gonna take a bit of playing with, but for the most part, like, let's just have a look. I went and looked at the back, and the back is definitely fuzzy, and that's because I didn't pay enough attention to it. But look, we're on a time schedule, and I feel like what's happening here is bloody cool, man. The curls look really healthy when I look in the mirror. Essentially, I probably wouldn't wear my hair out exactly like this. It probably needs a bit of playing with. That's where we bring the riot control oil in, and we just start running our fingers through it to get a bit of that shape happening. Sort of mix them together, because right now they're still really in their set places of where they were. But the main point of this is that we wanted to get that wave happening. If my hair was this dry normally without like a flat iron or whatever, or even if I blow dried it without those curl things, it would actually be a lot fuzzier. Like, it'd probably look a lot more like the back. See how the back's like less defined? That's because that's probably what my normal hair would look like if it dried. But this, I actually think it looks so cool. Wow. So my honest thoughts on this when I look in the mirror, I really love what this has done. Minus the back. I'll show you the back anyway. We all know that I didn't do a very good job of it, so it looks like a rat nest. Let's be real. But if we focus here on the front, these front waves, they're looking really, really cool. And like, we actually filmed a few different videos today, and at the beginning of the day, I had like my flat iron curls, which you would probably have seen in my other videos that I've already done. And this look is significantly different to that. Those are actual ringlet curls that I purposely put in there. These are what I would call beach waves, for sure. They haven't gone too buffy, and I think that's got to do with using the Jane Carter solution and the Blumaan product in there to begin with, once I did the blow dry. Because with hair types like mine, when I blow dry it naturally, it just goes AWOL. It goes so big, so uncontrollable, and that's why I never really blow dry it. And I would definitely rate these. So for any of you looking for like cool ways to wave your hair or get control of that wave or that frizz, I think this is going to be a game changer for me. I wouldn't use these all the time, I guess, because they are quite heavy on your head once you've got the whole set in. Too much pulling on the hair can cause like your hair to fall out prematurely. So, and I do wear a man bun all the time, so I'd have to be careful with that. But I guess once in a while, when I just want to like change up my look, this would be something that's really cool for it. And overall, I'm impressed. I'm actually going to give these a 7 out of 10, just because of how cool they were. I think the 3 points I would deduct for is because A, it's hard to really get in there in the back and make sure that I can get it like the front. So ideally, I'd have another person that could do it for me. And 2, the amount of time that it takes, you know, like we've probably spent, I'm gonna say 20 minutes to half an hour trying to get every single one of them in. I couldn't imagine how long that would be if I had have done it properly. So yeah, a bit iffy on the time thing, but overall for effect, and I think done properly, these things would be really, really handy. And that's my honest review on this. So I have left a link to these. The ones that I bought were on Amazon. I got them for $3, I think. Amazon's always changing their prices, so the link is going to be in the description box for you if you want to try wave formers out. They're really cheap things, so you don't have to spend too much money to try them out, and good luck with it if you try them. Please let me know in the comment section what you want to see next, and I will see you next week for another video, okay? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button too, because it really helps me get my content further. Love you, bye!